driving by and we saw this, and I just thought it looked really interesting, so we're gonna go check it out.
All right, let's go check it out.
All right.
Hey everybody, that's Sarah. You know how I know? Sarah, look down.
Yeah, that was where we were looking at, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, there it is.
DK fans, I know what Dennis is saying right now. I gave up another pepperoni pizza to come and look at this. I could have stayed there and eat pepperoni. So guys, we don't know what this is. Sarah thinks that there was a Walking Dead scene here, but I don't think so. I don't care what them kids are doing. I'm about to go fishing. Free, true life, and then I don't know what that says. Sarah, what side of town are we on? Do you know? So if the K fans know anything about it? That's okay if you don't know. Yep. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Somebody's sleeping. Somebody's sleeping. Shh. The K fans is a homeless person. See? Hey, man. Gotta get clear. Guys, the K fans, right here and tell me what this is. I don't have a clue right now on what that is. It's got some kind of... What are they? Dennis, if that was you asleep over there, would you be upset at us waking you up? Look at that. That's the fire pit? Look, this is cement that's dried. See that cement? Smells like concrete. Isn't this a barrel that's got cement on it? Dennis and I was just trying to get back home, and Sarah made us stop. She showed us, take us some strange places to K fans. Sarah, why do you want to stop at every abandonment? My goodness, you're worse than I am. I don't know what that is. So the K fans, if you come and go with me, I always ask the group what they want to do. Personally, it looks like maybe the homeless has boarded this up to keep people out. Personally, I wouldn't go in, but this is a democracy. And I think that, look, they looked at each other. That was a moment right there. Sarah says go in, so she's the new one to the channel, so we gotta do what she says. Right, Dennis? Yep. This is spooky. I'm scared. Hey, Mr. Homeless, help us with that, so I won't have to. That? How's it going? A machine sat here. A big old machine. But I don't know what this was.
You're gonna have to look it up, Sarah.
Yeah.
That looks spooky right there. I don't know why. Is that to the outside, or does that go into? Okay. Remember, there's a chainsaw guy out there too. Hey, we need to Can you some? Oh, you scared me. You came back. Hey, do y'all remember that pretty little brickwork out there, outside that we saw? Yeah. See, there's some more of that. You see what I'm saying? Where it looks like maybe that's decorative. When we get back out, is there any way you can pin this location? So,
Yeah.
not that I'd want to come back here, but I'm just saying.
Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's not beautiful.
Oh, look at that.
Actually, I wonder why they have that artwork here.
And I'm surprised someone hadn't painted over it.
Yeah. This is like so offensive in so many ways.
Now, see, I can understand where you said this is offensive, but with me being a historian, it is offensive, but it also tells a story of the way it used to be. And now here's the sad thing, guys. This, probably the husband, the wife, and the children, lots of times, let's say they're all from Alabama, he may get pulled to Georgia and they never see him again.
Yeah.
That was the sad part.
Yeah.
That's cool.
That's a huge belly button
Look
on
at
that
this
guy.
window.
Yeah.
Look right here. This is actually really cool.
Look at this.
It's like they're behind the bars there.
Oh, they were nice cell. I wonder what this place is.
You know, I would guess that an African American drew this
Yeah.
as a heritage. So thank you for bringing us here, sir.
Have you noticed there was a boat at Prison Farm too? Where did they come from?
Oh, was there a boat at the prison farm?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, see what's in there, Dennis. Dennis takes you where most people won't. That's good enough. Let's just see. Is that a bathroom, Dennis? Oh no, can't tell. All right, let's go look at the boat.
I can hear the electricity.
Action.
Hey guys, I know this wasn't really much, but thanks for joining us.
Hold on. That daggum chainsaw. Speak up. Ready, action.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this. I know it wasn't much, but thanks for watching. Decade's headed your way.